Okay, hello everyone. We're just going to run through my session break strategy. Just a bit of back testing. Going to start from January the 6th, so the first proper week of this year. It's on GU on 15-minute chart. To see what the results get. It's not going to be anything particularly precise. We're just going to record them in a little notepad here, roughly, and see what happens. So day one, uptrends. We're looking for longs. Play through. It's the Asian session. Oops. Played too fast. Not a good start. Oh dear. Okay, let's play a bit slower. Okay, so we're in the London session. And the London session has gone straight into breaking the Asian session, so time of day 7 o'clock. We would not be at the charts then, so I can't do this one. I don't get to the charts that early until about here, so I would have missed this trade unfortunately. Which is a shame, because that would have been a lovely setup there. But we're not going to record that because I'm not awake at 6:30 in the morning to take it. So we'll just carry on to the next day. We'll only trade until about 12:30, something like that. We're not doing the New York session in these ones. So let's go to the next day. Get to the end of the Asian session. So I'd say that's not really slight uptrend, but it's really more of a consolidation. So we'll see what happens. Okay, so we're in the London session now, 7 o'clock. And we'll break. Slight problem we have is these levels, because I'm in replay mode, it's not going to tell me what levels they are. So it's only a sort of rough guide. So we're breaking, I think that's previous day high. So we'll set a pending order. Stop loss below there. Target the next level just below. We'll see what happens. So it would be kicked in or picked in. It's not looking promising, but let's see. And straight to stop loss. So it's a -1 on my little chart. And on to the next one. Okay, we're looking for longs only because we're generally in an uptrend. So now we've passed the session, so we'll go on to the next day. So far, we've had one missed one and one loser. What a lovely start. Okay, we're now in the London session. Now this is not an uptrend or downtrend, so it's a consolidation, so we just have to play it by ear. I suppose you could say shorts, but honestly, there's nothing much to say either way, so we'll see what happens in London session. So it's a good break of the Asian session with momentum. So it's also breaking through this level here. So oops, wrong way around. We've got shorts, not longs. Shorts on the pullback. It's going to have to be a pullback to this previous level. We'll put a stop above midnight open. We do have this rather ambitious target down here, but we won't be targeting a 13 now. We will just do 2 hours and see what happens. Well, we'll see where it plays to. But when there's nothing to target for, it should probably be about 2, maybe 3. Okay, so although it looks good, we didn't get picked up. So that's a no trade. And on to the next one. Shame we didn't get picked up. Look at that. Probably could have got a 13 hour all the way down to there, but we weren't picked up, so that's fine. Next day. Asian session. Let's get into the London session. We've got some strong moves going on, haven't we, before the London session? Okay, well, clearly we're in a bit of a downtrend now. London session there, but there's no previous day lows of the session's weekly lows, nothing for me to break, for me to enter on. So we can't do anything on this one. Unless, of course, we break the London low now, but it'd have to be pretty quick. Nope. It's past our session, so no trade. Next one. I have to move along a little bit quicker, I think, otherwise we'll be here all day. London session. Where are we? Maybe a bit of a downtrend, nothing much though really. Generally down, up, down, boom, boom, boom. So we'll just see. So this is London session coming into Asian low. Might consider that if it breaks that, but ideally we'd rather break to the downside. Which we've just got. So we would have, can we place a short there? Target previous day low. We'll knock it down there, but we'll take it as a 2R. Oops, where are we going? We're going there, so we're kicked in. Stop above there. Would we put stop above the Asian? Would make more sense. And ooh, and we're out. -1. So far we're on -2, and we're on the first week. Let's move to the next day. We also need to remember that I'm trading more than one pair. Into the London session. Are we going to break this Asian low? Kind of downtrendy. And we do break the Asian low. So we're looking for a pullback. Where are we going to put stop loss? Above the London? Above the candle? Somewhere in between. Where's our targets? There's nothing to target. So we'll just go for 2R. We'll play that one out. We're picked in. We'll get picked up even. And taken out. Not doing very well so far. -1. On to the next one. London session. Ooh, big momentum to the upside. In an uptrend. So we're going to go long on the pullback. Stops below there. Target, oh nice 2R to the top of there. We're wicked in here. Let's see what happens. And another -1. -4R. It's not looking very good. We'll go to the next session. I think that was a Friday we just did. Oh, crap. I'm kind of seeing the hindsight in that one now, but never mind. Right, so we were in an uptrend, so we're looking for longs, so we haven't taken that one. We would set a pending there. Stop loss below the midnight open or below that candle or below there. Targeting next session. Now it's gone too far, so I think if it comes back and wicks me in, it's probably because it's coming against me, but we'll run it and see. So we're in. What's it going to to do now? 12:15. Did we go to 1 hour? We did. So at 1 hour we would be at break even. So we're out at break even. Break even. Shame, because we would have easily gotten that, but the rules are the rules. When we hit 1 hour running profit, we bring to break even. Never mind. On to the next one. Asian session. Going into the London session. Now, straight away in the London session, it's a wick low. I'm sure we're really classed as a close blow. It's not even a 2-hour trade, is it? We'll play it and see what happens. But that's not much of a momentum break, so we're in the trade anyway. And oh, we won. There you go. Shows what we know. So our first win, +2. And it wasn't a very clean entry. On to the next one. Interestingly, it turned not long after that. Asian session. Going into London session. Breaking this level here. So we'll set a pullback, but it's quite a long pullback. No levels to target, so I'm not convinced I'd take that one in reality. But we'll see what happens, because I think it's going to turn back up. I'll just keep going. So we're in. I'm going to play it through. And we're out for -1. Is it -1 or did we go to 1 hour first? Just about went to 1 hour on that wick. Reality, I probably wouldn't have seen that to move it to break even, so we'll class it as a -1. -1. And on to the next one. We're only on the 17th of January, so we'll have to go a bit quicker, I think. Alright, London session. We're in uptrend. Maybe. Let's play it through. Right, so we got a break to the low. But we're looking for longs, so we'll keep going. Oh, bloody hell. That's obviously a news event. So nothing for us to trade there. On to the next one. Asian session. Going into London session. There's a better setup. So we've got a short setup and a target down there, see what happens, 2.5. We've got a bit better setup here. Oh, it's got a gap to fill there as well by the looks of it. Fair value gap coming across there. But we're not looking at those today. Let's see. So we're in the trade, obviously. Let's just play it through quickly and see what happens. Stop loss. -1. I'm going to blow the account at this rate. This backtesting was supposed to encourage me for next week. I'm not getting much encouragement. We're in the London session. It's a bit of a flat range, so we could go either way. And we're already below the Asian session and not breaking these levels, so there's no trade yet. We're breaking the high, but where the hell would we target? And where would we put stop loss as well? We'll just go 2R. But it's got to go for that previous day high, so I'm not going to take that. Let's see. And it wouldn't have picked us up, I don't think, anyway. And it's come back, so on to the next day. Okay, London session, it's not closing below, it's sort of wicking below. It's quite flat, it's not up or down. So we need a bit more of momentum in one way or the other. Okay, so now we've got a bit of a break. But there, don't know if it's because I'm in candle replay, but we're not getting much levels to aim for. We'll just do 2R, but obviously we could target all the way down there and follow it down. Okay. Would we get in? Right, we're in. We've been picked up. And straight to stop loss again. I think I need to change this strategy and do the opposite. But let's keep going. Asian session in an uptrend. Into the London session. That's not a break above, just wicks above. That's a break above. Too many now. So there, target there, stop loss below there. Play it through. Picked up. Kind of looks like it's going to go down, but let's have a look. And oh no, it went to my target. Lucky me, which is the previous day high up here. So we actually gained 4.9 because we need it at the moment. 4.9. Try and wipe out some of these losses. And we are still in January, so on to the next day. Asian session, going into London session, break at a low with the Asian session. What's in downtrend here? So we are. So when this red candle broke, that's when we set the pending order for the pullback. We'll go above there. And where are we going to target? We've got these levels here to the left. 2.5R. Okay. In a live trade, we set it down here and then trail the stop loss. But seems we're just having a bit of fun. Let's see what happens. So we're in the trade and straight to stop loss. That's another -1. Move on to the next one. Asian session kicking in. Into London. Generally down. Break the Asian low. Pending order there for the pullback above the recent highs. Don't have anything to target, so we'll just do 2R. And we don't like that we got to break for this previous day low, or whatever level that might be. So we're in the trade and stop loss. -1. On to the next one. Asian session. Where are we up to now? I think we'll just do January, I think. Into the London session. We're generally going long, ideally. Got break to the downside with wicks. We can try it. It's a bit of a week long, so we've got a target below. Where would we put our stop though? There's no good place to put a stop loss there. Target is easy, that's there. No good place for a stop loss, so we wouldn't enter that one. And it's counter to our direction. Of course, that one went straight to profit. That's the way it happens. On to the next one. So if that happens a lot, then we might have to disregard the general direction here. Asian session, so this can be the 30th, and then just the Thursday, and then we'll do one more day. The London session, couldn't really tell you the general direction of that. Up, down, up, either way. So that's not a proper break, it's a wick break. Oh, did we miss one in London? No, it started off below, it's okay. Now we've got a break low and a pullback pickup, stop loss. Target these lows, 3.5 R. We could afford to bring that above the Asian high. So we'd be in that trade and straight to stop loss, but I think that went to 1 R. So that's actually a break even trade because at 1 R running profit, we bring it to break even. So that's going to be a break even trade. And then we got one more day, which is Friday, the 31st of January. Asian session. London started above the Asian session, which is not ideal. Is it going to break that level? It's a wiki. What time are we on? 11. We only go till about 12 to 12:30, so it's got to do so much soon. And it's 12 o'clock, so I don't think we would be entering that trade. We're going into the New York session. 2 o'clock there, so. And that's it. So Friday the 31st of January. Let's add these up, although we already know it's not going to be particularly pleasant. We've got -1, -1, -1, -1, plus 2, -1, -1, -1, plus 4.9, -1, -1, and minus 2.1 R for January. For January 2025 on GU. And that's it. It's just a quick and dirty way of running through any strategy to give you a rough idea. Is it same as live trading? No, but it gives you a guide. So you can see we lost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We won 2. And break even was 2. There you go. So not a great win rate, but it's only 1 month and 1 pair. So -2R for a month is -1/4 of an R per week average. So basically nothing, kind of break even. So I'm happy enough with that to progress and see where it goes from there. And that's it, just a quick rundown. Thanks for watching.